Hi everyone and welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. Half 3 and I only just got upstairs because since like 11 I've been making baking cookies, and I'm saying to my mom that I'm not doing them next year. They just take so much time to do. Ugh. And I'm done. Literally never making them again. I made some effort at the beginning and then I was like, nah, not bothered anymore. So then I just wasn't bothered, and they're not that pretty. But they taste good, so that's all that matters. Ugh. So I just curled my hair a little bit. I feel like I look a bit funny because I actually need to wash my hair. I'm about to go and wash my hair, so it's disgusting. But I curled it a tiny bit just to see. I'm really bad at curling my hair, by the way, so this is like uneven or whatever. But I just wanted to see what it looks like because I don't know what to do with my hair for like Christmas. Do I keep it straight or will I curl it a little bit and let it look like this? I don't know. Let me know what you think. I might curl it one day, straighten it the other day. But yeah, I need to go wash it now. So don't mind it because it's horrible. I'm gonna turn my lights on because it's getting dark. So I washed my hair and now I have Netflix on and I'm going to be watching A Christmas Prince. It's another Christmas movie. I don't know, I've never watched it before. But I love Christmas films, so I'm just going to watch this and drink some 7-Up free because I got it the other day and I actually really like it. I don't see the difference between that and normal 7-Up. So I like it. I'm going to have a can of that and just watch the movie. I think I'm going to make this a double vlog because tomorrow I'm in work for most of the day and I won't be able to vlog. So today and tomorrow I'll put that together and yeah. Hi everyone, so it's the next day now. It's the 21st, so day 21 of Vlogmas. I'm just doing my makeup right now actually. I need to move this. I'm doing my makeup. I'm almost done. Whoa, hang on. I'm almost done with it. I just tried this mascara and as I was applying it I was like, oh my god, I'm not filming this. So it's the Clarins Mascara Super Volume, I think. And it looks like this. I got it in that Clarins set that I showed you before. But I really like it. It made my lashes like really, really long. And voluminous. Voluminous. Voluminous? Volume? I don't know how to say it. But yeah, I really like it. So I'm going to start using that now. I don't know if it's waterproof or not. So I don't know if my solid water will take it off. So I'm going to have to bring that makeup remover with me. The one that came in the set. I'm just kind of packing my makeup away because as you know, I don't know if I mentioned it. I'm in work today at 2 o'clock. And then I'm going to stay in errands after that. So I'm just packing all my makeup away. So I can do my makeup tomorrow. Here's my brushes. So that's that. I also have my makeup. And then I also need to put my contact lenses in my little frogs. And then I think I'm ready. I'm also thinking of putting lipstick on. If you know me, then you know I never wear lipstick that much. So let's go pick a lipstick. So I have some lipsticks here. But then I also have all of these. And I don't know what to wear. I'm thinking some Colourpop lippy sticks maybe. But which ones? The Hollywood Boulevard is very brown, so maybe too brown. Lumiere. I don't know what to pick. So I might swatch some of these. Pillow Talk is like one of my favorites. Lumiere is very, very pink. So I'm not sure how I feel about that. But I could put some brown lip liner underneath and it might be nice. I also like this one. Ooh, I might pick that one. An Aquarius is cream finish, I believe. Right, I think I'm going to pick Brink, which is this one on top. And I'm just going to put some lip liner underneath just to make it a little bit darker. And
the lip liner I'm going to use is, as always, my MAC Spice lip liner. That's what I'm going to use. So now on top of that, I'm using Colourpop Lippy Stick in Brink. I kind of like it. I never usually wear like pinky kind of lips. It's not that pink, I guess. It's kind of I'd say like mauvey maybe, but I do like it. So that's my lips today. I'm also going to go straighten my hair now because I washed it yesterday and I always straighten my hair after washing it. So let's go do that. This spray, I don't know if you can see me, it's the Lee Stafford Heat Protection Shine Mist that I got the other day. I'm going to use it and try it out. So unlike any other day for the past 3 days when I spent the day in my pajamas and my dressing gown, today I'm actually able to do an outfit of the day. So let's do that. So I'm wearing my Topshop Jamie jeans. I really like these. I usually go for Joni jeans or Jamie jeans. So these are a pair that are like frilly at the, oh Jesus, at the end, like this, but I usually just have them turned up anyway. Then I have this long sleeve top with this pocket here, and it's from Zara. My cardigan is from Pennies. I really love it. I just love the color of it because it goes nice like with everything, and I got it like really big. I got it in a large, I think. So it's like nice and cozy and all. My shoes are Adidas Superstars. I haven't worn them in a while, so I thought I would take them out because I wasn't sure what shoes to wear. I was gonna wear my Adidas Gazelles, but I wear them all the time, so I was like, no, I'm gonna switch it up. So that's what I'm wearing today. I don't think I'm gonna put a coat on just because I don't need it. And I think I'll be warm enough in this. So that's that, and then my bag is, as always, my Kate Spade one. So yeah, that's that. My hair, I straightened my hair. I used that spray and I actually really like it because it did put a lot of shine in my hair. So I like that. My makeup is kind of the same. It's the MAC lip liner, Brink, Colourpop, lippy stick. Eyeshadow is Colourpop as well. My base is NARS Velvet Matte Skin Tint and MAC Powder, Maybelline Concealer. Brows are Benefit Browsings and the, what's it called, Pixie Brow Setting Gel. And that's kind of it. I did use some other things, but they're usually the same as I always use. So yeah, that's all, I think. I'm not leaving for another half an hour or something, so I should probably take my shoes off, but I just wanted to put them on to show you my outfit. I really am looking forward to putting all of this away under the Christmas tree because it just looks so messy. So yeah, I also need to sort out like the back of my door because there's a coat here and then there's just loads of dressing gowns and all. So I need to do something about that, I think. And I also need to finish packing. So let's do that. Oh. While I'm waiting for my coffee to get cold, I'm gonna start my car because I don't drive it that much. Woo, thank God. I don't drive it that much, so like the battery dies sometimes, which is so bad. So I wanted to try and see. I have this tripod thing for my car, for my camera, but I don't see how I'm supposed to use it because it just doesn't make sense. Like, if I put this on the window, then my camera is like facing down. Do you know what I mean? So I don't know what to do. But my car works. Happy days. I need to hoover in here. It's really dirty. So yeah, welcome to my car. It's nothing special, but it drives. So that's the only reason I'm happy about it. I also need to put one of my L plates up because it fell down. I don't know why, but it did. I'm gonna try and see what I could do with this tripod, so wait a second. Do you see what I mean? I just don't know how it's supposed to work. Like, if the camera sits on here, then it needs like this much space. If I do this, then the camera's like sideways. I really don't understand. I guess I'm gonna have to watch some YouTube videos about this and see what I can figure out, because it's not gonna work. Let's go back home. That car is so dirty. Oh my God. I can't say much either. Mine's filthy as well.